Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but still can't seem to attract the person you like? What if I told you that the secret isn't about impressing them more or trying to say the perfect things? In fact, the key is something you might not expect: inner confidence and self-respect. It's not about constantly proving yourself or seeking validation. Attraction doesn't come from trying hard. It comes from being yourself in the most grounded, authentic way possible. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful Stoic secret that will make you magnetic and attract people effortlessly. And no, it's not about playing games or looking for shortcuts. It's all about creating a natural, stress-free attraction that'll make them chase you instead of the other way around. So, here's the secret. I really enjoy being with you, but I'm not chasing anyone. Yes, it's that simple. At first, this might sound surprising or even counterintuitive. But stay with me. I'll explain why this statement, when said with calm assurance, holds the key to attracting others without putting in extra effort. 1. Self-respect, the foundation of attraction. When you say, "I'm not chasing anyone," you're not being arrogant or aloof. You're showing self-respect. You're not seeking validation from anyone, especially not from someone you're interested in. You've already validated yourself. This is a magnetic trait. People are naturally drawn to those who know their worth. You don't need to convince others of your value. You just live it. And when you respect yourself, others will recognize and respect you in return. Think about it. How often are we drawn to people who stand firm in who they are? That's the power of self-respect. 2. Removing pressure, the magic of relaxed attraction. Pressure can kill attraction faster than anything. Have you ever felt like you were constantly trying to impress someone only to realize it made things more awkward? That's because you were chasing. When you express that you're not chasing anyone, you remove that pressure from the equation. You're free to just be, and that is where the magic happens. Imagine this: someone who's calm, collected, and completely at ease in their own skin. Doesn't that feel different? When you stop trying so hard, the relationship naturally becomes more comfortable and genuine. It's not about impressing them. It's about simply being yourself. 3. Signals, abundance. You have more to offer. Saying, "I'm not chasing anyone," sends a powerful message: abundance. You're not desperate for their attention. Instead, you're someone who chooses to spend time with them because you want to, not because you need to. Think about this. People are always drawn to individuals who are in high demand, not because they're trying to win someone over, but because those people already have a full life. When you embody abundance, you stop chasing, and others are drawn to you like a magnet. 4. Creating mystery. Curiosity breeds attraction. Here's an interesting truth. When you're not chasing, you create mystery. People start to wonder, what's going on in his mind? Why isn't he chasing me like everyone else? This intrigue, this curiosity, it makes them want to know more about you. Curiosity is powerful. And the more you keep some things to yourself, your thoughts, your feelings, your intentions, the more you'll find that people are drawn to you because they want to figure you out. This mystery, it's irresistible. 5. Flipping the script. When you stop chasing, they want to chase you. Here's the irony. When you stop chasing, you actually start pulling people closer. People want what they can't have, and when they realize you're not desperately trying to win their attention, it flips the script. Now, they're the ones wondering about you. This dynamic shift is profound. Instead of overwhelming someone with your pursuit, you create a space where they feel motivated to pursue you. And that's where the attraction truly blooms. 6. Emotional control. Calm is the new sexy. Now, let's talk about emotional control. Imagine this. You're with someone who stays calm, composed, and emotionally stable no matter what happens. That's an incredibly attractive trait. When you manage your emotions and remain grounded, you signal to others that you can handle life's ups and downs without losing control. This emotional steadiness is a rare and powerful trait that will draw others to you, especially when they see that you can stay balanced, even when things get tense. 7. Setting boundaries. No need for drama. When you say, "I'm not chasing anyone," you're also setting clear boundaries. You're letting the other person know what you're willing to accept and what you're not. This is a sign of maturity, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence. The key here is that you don't need confrontation or drama to set boundaries. You simply live them. And when you do this consistently, you show people that you respect yourself and that others should respect your boundaries as well. 8. You have a life outside of the relationship. This is an important one. You have your own life. You have your own goals, passions, and pursuits. You're not dependent on the relationship to feel fulfilled, and this in itself is incredibly attractive. People are naturally drawn to those who are independent and self-sufficient. When you have a life outside the relationship, it makes you even more irresistible because you're someone who adds value to their life, not because you need them, but because you choose them. 9. Being present. The power of now. Finally, when you're not caught up in the chase, you can truly be present. And this is perhaps the most powerful element of all. When you're truly in the moment, when you're actively listening and engaging with someone, not just talking to fill the silence, you become someone people crave to be around. This kind of presence goes far beyond words. It's about making someone feel seen and heard. And when you're present with someone, they'll feel the difference. This kind of deep engagement will keep her coming back for more. Remember this: attraction is not something you try to force. It's something that naturally happens when you know your worth and live in your own truth. The moment you stop chasing, stop seeking validation, and start being grounded in who you are, that's when the real magic happens. So next time you catch yourself trying to chase someone, take a step back, breathe, and let attraction come to you. Live with confidence. Live with self-respect. And the right people will be drawn to you effortlessly. If this resonated with you, if you want to learn more about Stoicism, how to build unshakable confidence, and create deep, meaningful relationships, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more timeless wisdom to help you live your best life. Trust me, this journey is worth it.